Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education.
Hey guys, James with Chart Guys. It is Thursday, June 22nd. Going to do my nightly video on natural gas. So natural gas, we ended up with a doji, basically indecision candle, and we've had a lot of indecision in this area after this big down day. Bull's not showing any strength yet. We're just basing here for now. And so now we have a new lower low at 2.855. The daily RSI is not oversold yet, which I'm waiting for. Let me go to the unadjusted charts real quick. And the reason why I'm waiting for that daily RSI is the last couple times it's been oversold. Not here was just a short-term oversold bounce, but even short-term oversold bounces could have some upside while it consolidates. Here we had a really nice bounce, and back in February of last year we had a really awesome bounce for entry. So if it does get oversold here on the daily, I'm going to look for another entry. The last one we had some nice upside as well. I don't see too much further downside if we get to these lower RSIs under the 25 area. If we break 25 on the RSI, I don't see much more downside in NATGAS, and we'll start looking for a bull position. We are continuing to set lower lows and lower highs on the daily, so we have a high, lower high on the bounce, another lower high on the bounce, and continue to set lower lows, lower low, lower lows, lower lows. So we need to change this trend, and again on the daily what I'm looking for is a break above this high of 3.082 to change that trend on the daily. So not looking for a NATGAS bull position yet. I am going to be hunting if that RSI continues to go down, if we have further downside. As far as the hourly goes, oops, wrong time period. As far as the hourly goes, we're not oversold on the hourly yet. We keep cooling the RSI off on the hourly after it's been oversold, and really just moving sideways on those RSI cool downs. So we get a nice little, let me get out of this drawing tool. So we have some downside, oversold RSI. We move sideways, cooling it off, get a little bit of bounce, and then further downside, dump. Same thing here. We're just moving sideways, cooling the RSI off, and consolidating sideways, which is still in the favor of the bears. And looking at the 4-hour chart, I do have this 4-hour, two trend lines on the 4-hour. Looks like I need to adjust this one. Activate drawing. We peaked under that. So the 4-hour chart here, we'll see if we make a move back up here on any bounce, and if we're able to break that for any further upside. Again, this 4-hour chart lines up with that daily where we need to set a higher high, breaking above 3.082. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.